Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest gadgets and gear to help you make informed buying decisions. Today, we're taking a close look at the Logitech MX Anywhere 3S mouse. This compact wireless mouse promises versatility and performance, but does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. First off, let's talk about the design and build quality of the MX Anywhere 3S. It's compact, well-made, and feels sturdy in hand. The mouse is designed primarily for right-handed users, with a streamlined profile that makes it easy to slip into a bag for travel or use on the go. Moving on to its features, the MX Anywhere 3S boasts a high-resolution 8K DPI sensor, which means precise tracking across different surfaces. It also features a standout scroll wheel that's both smooth and responsive, adding to the overall user experience. In terms of performance, this mouse connects via Bluetooth and offers seamless connectivity with up to 3 devices, which is great for multitasking across different computers or tablets. The tracking accuracy is commendable, making it suitable for office tasks and even some light gaming. However, one area where the MX Anywhere 3S falls short is comfort, especially for users with larger hands. Its compact size might feel cramped during extended use sessions, which could be a concern if you're looking for an everyday office mouse. So, should you consider buying the Logitech MX Anywhere 3S? If you prioritize portability and need a reliable mouse for on-the-go productivity, it's worth considering. However, if comfort and value for money are your primary concerns, there are more affordable options out there that offer similar performance. That wraps up our review of the Logitech MX Anywhere 3S mouse. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews of the latest tech gadgets. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.